Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money TradingView. First, understand that TradingView provides exceptional charting tools for in-depth market analysis. You can identify profitable trading opportunities by utilizing its wide array of indicators and drawing tools. Developing a robust trading strategy with clear entry and exit points is crucial. Always practice sound risk management to protect your capital, aiming for a risk-to-reward ratio of at least 1 to 2 on your trades. TradingView offers essential tools to enhance your trading. You can utilize advanced charting types, such as Renko and Kagi, for unique market perspectives. Explore hundreds of technical indicators, like the Relative Strength Index or moving averages, to confirm market trends and identify potential reversals. Setting up custom alerts for specific price movements or indicator crosses ensures you never miss an opportunity. Remember to backtest your strategies using historical data to validate their performance over many trades. Crafting a solid trading strategy is paramount for consistent profits. First, define your trading style. Are you a day trader making quick moves or a swing trader holding positions for several days? Choose specific indicators, perhaps a combination of volume and momentum, that align with your chosen strategy. Establish clear rules for trade entry, stop-loss placement, and take-profit targets. Always maintain a detailed trading journal to track performance and continuously refine your approach, aiming for an 80% strategy adherence. Effective risk management and disciplined execution are vital for long-term success. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your total trading capital on any single trade. Always use stop-loss orders to automatically limit potential losses, protecting your account from significant drawdowns. Take profits at predefined levels to secure your gains consistently, perhaps aiming for a 1 to 3 risk-to-reward ratio. Most importantly, avoid emotional trading by sticking strictly to your well-defined plan, even when markets are volatile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.